we want to introduce you Advertising Star, the star of advertising. Well-earned title due to the fact that it's a program which has the sector price and accumulated experience of 30 years in the media in their distinct subplots. We will try to show you the essential and more important things of the application because its great contents make it necessary to show in this video extract. For knowing it in depth, ask us for more information by using this page or for a complete remote or in-person demonstration. The system is developed over SQL Server database and with visual languages of new generation, applying the client-server technologies. The system will ask us for an access key, and once typed and being this one valid, the application main menu will be shown to us, which is the one we are seeing in this moment in the screen. In the main menu, we have a lot of options for the parameterization and use of the application. Maybe one of the more important features is the fact that the application is multi-company, multimedia, and multi-support. Inside the supports option, we can see how are defined the supports which the application can have, like radio. There are other options not shown here, like television, press, stereos, internet, which are included in the Spanish version. Inside each support are defined the distinct advertising products. In the radio case, we can highlight splits, day parts, time slots, programs, templates, programming, and prices. If we select any of them, in this case we have selected programs, it appears the form of programs definition. We can highlight that inside the application, for each form, there is a search that is always used with any field contained in the form and doesn't have to be the complete search definition. We can type all the field contents we want to search or a part of it. In this case, we are going to search a program, and once selected, the system will present us all the necessary data for beginning to broadcast a program. In this case, we see the support for which the program is defined, a code assigned by us, a description, the genre who belongs to, the format, all this in agreement with our previously defined structure. Also inside the maintenance tab, we find one of the more important options related to the payers, customers, and advertisers record. If we select payers, the system will show to us the form or container of all the necessary data for the advertiser customer management. We have to search another one, and we can see how the form is structured in distinct tabs for showing separately and orderly all the necessary data. By default, a home address tab is shown. We have a tab for establishing and contacting with this payer customer. We can establish the names of those people which we use normally for contacting with this customer, where we can establish the department, his church, his phone. In other tab, we have all the necessary data for the economic financial reduction. Its comments, a tab where is defined the VAT type which is applied to the order's origin. Also, there is a tab where the conditions can be established for the invoicing and remittance, the rappels or even the visits which our commercial agents can do to him, what originals we have with this customer advertiser. They are separated, as can be seen, the television and radio ones from the press ones, which are totally different, and a similar information is shown for the advertiser. Maybe one thing to highlight in the advertising form is the fact that in one of its tabs The system allows us to create automatically the payer through the advertiser. With this, we avoid to retype again and to duplicate those data previously entered. Surely, the main feature of the application is formed by the broadcast orders, the guidelines management, and the broadcast certificates. We will examine an order for showing you the contents of it. In this case, we are going to select a multimedia multi-support order. We will search a specific one, and after that, we will order by dates. In this case, we select it. The system shows us the header form with all the common data to the supports. If we want to see the breakdown, in this specific case, they will be ordered the lines for radio. If we select in this case the radio one, we can see in the detail of how the system brings us a lot of data for recording the order more easily. Since this recording, it will be generated automatically the calendar, over which we will be able to interact for those more specific and special cases, capricious in their broadcast, establishing a specific day or hour. From here, also we can see the detail. You will see many options, and even we can invoice it if you want, and print many reports. We will search for and extract about the options which the system brings to us about planning. If we select planning, we can see the distinct options for seeing the occupancies. We are going to select the television and radio availability. For that, it will be asked us a support. We must search one of them. In this case, we are going to select the example support we are being using in all the video, Mi Radio. Once selected, in a second selection, we can see it related to locations, blogs, programs, future guidelines, and programs future guidelines. In this case, we will select programs for the April month. After that, we will click over Obtain, and the system will show us the corresponding report. In this report, which is the one shown in our screen, we can do more selections for seeing the copied seconds, the free seconds, the copied percentage, the percentage over available. For finishing and don't wanting to waste your valuable time, we want to say that the system has various invoicing methods, immediate, pre-recorder, and of course all about the banking receipts management of remittance adapted to the new SEPA payment system. The utilities option, as you can see, is very extensive and large. We want to mention the links with the audio and video system, which are linked with the main broadcast systems. Also, there is a control panel with a lot of reports thought for decisions making of direction, where they can be compared various years and a lot of data which are used by this very extensive application. We want you to know that for more information, you can contact us directly by using our page www.ifasoft.com. With pleasure, we will contact you and we will give you the necessary information for knowing this magnificent product in all its summit. Thanks a lot for your attention.